Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is about the CPU operation and we will study about the instructions and general type of instruction, and it is given on page 47 on the computer science textbook. What is instruction? An instruction is a group of bits that tell the computer to perform a specific operations. Now I will briefly describe the types of instruction. First, an instruction is a group of bits that tells the computer to perform a specific operations. Generally, instructions are stored in the main memory, waiting to be processed by the processors. So, an instruction has two fields. It consists of two parts. First, operation code. Second, operand code. What is operation code? Which represent the action that the processor execute. For example, operation codes mean कि प्रोसेसर ने क्या करना है, ऑपरेशन में आज एडिशन करना है, उसने सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है, उसने स्टोर करना है, उसने लोड करना है, डेटा सेव करना है. All these are the type of operations, and here we mention the operation code. Here operation code are given by the CPU. Similarly ये operations अब किन पैरामीटर्स के ऊपर होगा, ऑपरेंड्स होंगे इधर. It can be data or it can be address, क्योंकि ऑपरेशन हमेशा डाटा के ऊपर परफॉर्म होता है. ऑपरेशन कोड विच रिप्रेजेंट द एक्शन दैट द प्रोसेसर एग्जीक्यूट, प्रोसेसर ने कौन सा एक्शन करना है. सेकंड है ऑपरेंड कोड विच डिफाइंस द पैरामीटर ऑफ द एक्शन, एक्शन के पैरामीटर कौन से. द ऑपरेंड कोड डिपेंड्स ऑन द ऑपरेशन. इट कैन बी डाटा और मेमोरी एड्रेस. अब या तो ऑपरेशन डाटा को, अगर एडिशन है उसके लिए हमें 2 वैल्यूज देनी पड़ेंगी. सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए डाटा है. इस तरह स्टोर एंड सेव एंड लोड एड्रेसेस को भी हम सेव करते हैं और डाटा को भी सेव करते हैं. तो बेसिकली instruction consists of two parts. First, operation code, and second are the operands. Now these are the types of instruction that we will study. First, data transfer instructions. Second, data processing instructions, and third, program control instruction. Okay. First is data transfer instruction. It transfers data from one location in the computer to another location without changing the data contents. The most common transfers are between registers and memory. यानी डाटा registers और memory के दौरान travel करता है, register and IO devices के दौरान travel करता है, and register to registers. I have already told that registers are the electronic component that hold the electronic pattern of data. The examples of common data transfer instructions are move, load, and store. These are the common examples we can see. First is move. Move means move instruction transfer data from a memory location to a register, register to memory, and register to register. This is the instruction. For example, move A, B. This is the operation, and these are the operand. Operation, and these are the operand. Operation. These are the operand. Move the contents of register A to B. कि contents A के register को B में move कर दे. Similarly, second example, LD for load. Load instruction loads particular register contents from memory. For example, load A. This is operation code, and this is operand. Load the data to register A from memory. Similarly, third, STO stand for store. Store instruction store information from register to memory locations. These instructions are used to store information from register to memory location. Now these are the type of data transfer instructions. Okay ji. Now the second is data processing instructions. These instructions are related to the arithmetic and logical operations. So these instructions can be divided into three basic types, that is arithmetic, logical, and shift instruction. For example, A part arithmetic instruction. These are used to perform arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operations जितने भी हैं, addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, mod operation, all are performed by these instructions, such as add for addition, sub for subtraction, mul for multiplication, and d for division. So these are the A part arithmetic instruction of the data processing instruction. Now come to the logical instruction. These are used to perform logical operations like and or not, and we see there that logical gates are used to perform logical operation. To do लॉजिकल गेट्स होते हैं जो कि ट्रांजिस्टर्स वगैरह से मिलकर बने होते इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं. दीज आर यूज्ड टू परफॉर्म द लॉजिकल इंस्ट्रक्शन. And C part shift instruction. Shift instruction are used for transfer of bits. Basically, it is used to transfer of bits either to the left or to the right of an operand. And now come to the third part, program control instructions. There are number of instructions used for transfer of controls. These are used for transfer of control. यानी control को transfer कर देता है, such as jump and loop. For example, the jump instruction jump to begin the execution at another location. Jump to the beginning भी हो सकता है, jump to the mid भी हो सकता है, and jump to the end of the program भी हो सकती है. तो jump instruction are used to control the sequence of execution, to break the sequence of execution, to change the sequence of execution. So these are the program control instructions that are used to change the sequence of program execution. And third, the loop instruction is used when number of statements are to be repeated, and the loops are used to repeat the specific number of instruction and statement again and again in the program according to the requirement. So these two are jump, these are the transfer of data transfer instructions, and these are the loop to repeat the number of statement again and again. These two are belong to the program control instruction. So you have to learn this topic from the textbook for exam point of view, and any question or difficulties regarding this topic you can ask me through proper way. Okay ji, thank you, Allah Hafiz.